G'day, welcome back. So back here with the Morris Minor, still trying to get these panels here to fit. Now, I've kind of figured out that we can get this panel kind of half okay, but to actually get it fitting properly we need the companion panels in place too. And those are, well, the panels are these ones, the bit that the door bolts to. So I need to mock up that, and then we can get a door and get it all fitted together before we kind of go too much further. So we've got our door plate here. I got the back panel bit, that's a little kind of, whatever you call one of them. So I just need to extract, that's one of the hinge plates. There's another one in there that I've got to get out of there. We'll kind of screw this all together, screw it to the car, and kind of do some adjusting, and grab a door, see if we can get it all to kind of line up and see how close we are or what we need to do. So that's the plan today. Yeah, we'll just hook into it, get it done. The other bit I need to transfer from here, you'll see the little couple of bolt holes for the check strap, which aren't on here. So yeah, just don't let me forget about those. We'll get onto them later. I'm not going to do that right now because obviously there's probably a bit of alignment needed there too. So yeah, we'll get onto this, get on there, get a door, see where we are. Right, so we've got our hinge plates. There's a fair bit of movement in there, which is good. Top and bottom. Right, now as is, so as is, this panel doesn't quite fit this bottom corner. Hang on. Right, so as is, this panel doesn't quite fit. You see these holes here don't line up, all because of the little bit of the corner down the bottom. Just needs to be trimmed off or squared off for it to line up. So that's job number one, and gives us the up and downy movement we need to actually get that somewhere near. Looks a bit better. Alright, right, so we'll just get a screw in the top there, and I'll remember to put our plates in first. Oh. Get it on there. Still not a great fit there. Well, it's a start anyway. Right. Let's see where that's going. Drill a wee hole there and put a screw in it. Jeez, those screws are useless. what do you reckon? Do we put another screw in just to hold that a wee bit better? It's quite hard to get a clamp anywhere near there. Oh no, we can use that clamp. See, that angle looks completely wrong. See the angle? Yeah, so that, yeah, that needs to sit back a fair bit. I need to get some better screws. These Otto brand ones are completely useless. Square drive pan head sheet metal screws. No. The square heads just turn around and they just don't screw in. They're self-tappers too. I've even been drilling them, but oh well. Ah well. Well, shapes up alright. Right, see if I can find some different screws and see if we can get that held somewhere near where it needs to be. Oh, we'll get this one on the back here. As always with this project, if you know what you're doing, I'm sure there's a better way to do it. But I don't, so we'll just wing it. The curve of these two panels doesn't really match up. So we can either have it flush there, it protrudes at the top there, or fitting better down the bottom, fitting better at the top and poking out the bum. Well, we can just grind that flat, can't we? But then we could just grind that flat too, so it's can't win really. Stick it on somewhere for now, and we can get that one down the bottom. Two in. We'll get one around the back. See how we line up there. Well, it actually looks, by eye, pretty, not too bad. Yeah, I'll just put a couple more screws in. I'll stick a couple up there just to make sure we're all held where we need to be held. at that. That's a good start. It's a really good start. Certainly eyeball wise, we're using the old magic eyeballs. Compare it to the other side. Tell you what, I'll show you the other side, look. So that's how we angle there. Go around here. That's how we angle there. So to the naked eye, it's not terrible. Certainly a good starting point. But I reckon I'll go find a door. We start kind of jigging that up and seeing what's what. Of course, now I've got to get a door out the door pile. They're back there somewhere. Of course, it'll be that one, that the last one at the back on the left. That'll be the one I need, not this nice handy one here. And sure enough, I figured it was the last one at the back on the left, but no, that's the rear door. It's actually this one here. It's the one we need, the closest one. Also need the front wing. This doesn't look quite so hard to get to, but yeah, as you can guess, my wife loves me. Right, so I've picked up the front wing, the front door, and the rear door. I actually brought the rear door by mistake because I wasn't paying attention, but that's alright. I've also, sometimes I impress myself, got script bolts for the rear passenger door. Something else, the front wing, and front passenger door. So somehow I've kept these all organised, which is pretty amazing for me. So we'll get those on. Well, we'll get the wing and the door on, see what it looks like, see what we need to adjust, and that'll probably be us for today. Right, so I don't need all the bolts, I don't need to be particularly tight, we just need to get it on. Certainly make sure these ones are all line up with the wing. You're trying to tell where the new ones are a different bolt pattern. The new ones are a different bolt pattern. Jesus, what the thunder? Are they metric? Alright, so I guess that's something to figure out. Those bolts are different. That's awesome. Great start. But we can attach it at the front there. Doesn't seem to be metric. I'll work that out. Use one of these period correct ratcheting wrenches. I can't reach the box. It's on the floor now. Right, so we've got a little bit of work to do there. It could be worse, to be honest. It could be worse. There's a bit of adjustment. Oh, here. Yeah, it could be a lot worse. But certainly for first fit, I'm quite happy with that. I don't think it's going to be quite as scary as I thought it was, so we're just gradually working through the problem, one of the two. But yeah, at least now I can actually start to see what I need to adjust and where I need to adjust it. But for a first fit up, more or less doing it by eye and a little bit of measuring, that could be a whole lot worse. This panel, there are extra panels, you can't quite see anyway, but down the bottom we got extra panels down here. So yeah, that's not a height mismatch, that's just a like a panel mismatch. But without being able to put all the bolts in on the wing here, it's hard to actually get this lined up. So I need to figure out the thread pitch on those new bolt holes, because yeah, as it is, this panel sits back a fair bit anyway. So yeah, a little bit of adjustment required, bit of trimming here, there and wherever, but yeah, that's promising. I'm surprised how close that is, even though it probably looks horrible on the camera. It's not. Do we pass the shoe test? That's the one, isn't it? If you can get your shoe in there, it's no good. I can't get my shoe in, so it must be good. Oh well. So yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to kind of crack on and actually make some progress here. I've been dreading actually trying to work out how to do this, but as always, the best way to do it is just do it and figure it out from there. So yeah, we're a little bit of adjustment to go, but yeah, I'm a lot happier now. I've actually done something about it. But yeah, there we go. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you when I've actually got this all kind of straight as a donkey's hind doodah. Cheers.